Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today we're going downstairs to check out the lower level, give you guys a tour. First, look how beautiful our tree is. Love it. Okay, it is dark. I haven't even been down here yet. Okay, let's turn some lights on. So this is the entryway. We have a closet here, has a couple of my jackets. Of course, Simba wants to check out everything. Then over here we have our half bath. Oh boy, I don't want to show my face today. Sorry guys, I'm sick. And I'm still in my pajamas. Hi. Carol Ann and I picked up this from the home store, little Santa Claus soap. Then we've got a little Santa Claus towel. Isn't he just cute? Yeah, I really don't want to show my face this morning. I'm looking pretty rough. So this is our guest half bath. Then, turning you around, don't want to do it so quickly that make you guys nauseous. So this is what you're greeted with. Have a little table here so you could set down your bags and put your shoes down if you wanted to. Santa Paws is coming to town. Isn't that cute? That came from the home store. And let's turn some lights on here. This is the dining room. So this is our new table and chairs. It's by Ashley Furniture. And Carol Ann put it together all by herself. We're loving this kind of like farmhouse, distressed whitewash kind of color. This is a Simba. You turd. It's rotten today. This is a coffee bar. I don't know what we're going to do with this. I don't think Carol Ann wants to keep it, so that may not be there very long. The puppers. And then, let me put you over here. Everything is kind of a mess, but this is our laundry room. We've got all of our cleaning supplies up here. This is the new washer and dryer we got. Back puppers. And then we've got dirty dishes in the sink because, this is real life, people. Let's come over here, turn some lights on. This is the kitchen. So we've got this is that Ashley set. We got 4 bar stools and dirty dishes in the sink, which is fine. We've got Carol Ann's Keurig, all the things on the counter. She bought a KitchenAid. And we've got all of our spices up there. And because the knobs are real easy to push in, my mom actually thought of this. These are like this. Hey, Daisy, shush. Daisy, shush. Stop it. Goodness. They're the magnetic, stop. These are the magnetic spice things that go on the fridge, but they fit perfectly on here to keep the knobs from being pushed in. We were moving in. I guess somebody bumped up against one. We had like the packet of information about the stove or whatever on here, and it melted. It was really kind of scary, so we got to keep those covered. This is Carol Ann's living room. Oh, and let's just see how glorious our tree is. This is for my grandbaby. But isn't this just glorious? So she's got herself a big old TV. This is a new couch that she bought. This is one by Ashley. I want to say she paid $2,200 for it. She's paid cash. So we've got all of the furniture that we need. So we've got plenty of seating for family. We can seat 10 between here and there. Plus, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, kid in the corner, 5, 6, 7 more people here. And then we have a recliner there. She's got the food right there. She's using the cord I had made for the internet to plug into her PlayStation. She just went to work a little bit ago, so okay, her bed's not too crazy. This is her bedroom. My son helped her hang up all of her instruments. She plays violin, guitar, bass, drums. No drums in the house, though. Okay. And then here is... Daisy! Daisy! You naughty girl. She got into the trash. There's that. And then she's got all of her things. Of course, we got the bathtub. Her hamper lives there in this little cubby. And then the master closet. Of course, you know, she still has a lot that needs to be unpacked. And then she's got, you know, a little linen closet there. I'm not turning around because if I do, you guys will see my face and I would scare everyone away. Ugh, stinking dog. All right. So, this is what the downstairs looks like. Now that we have moved in, we're settled, and we have furniture. You'll have to let me know what you think about what we've done. We haven't put any pictures up or anything like that. We really don't want to just throw stuff up on the wall and start putting holes in the wall. We want to be pretty intentional about what we put up there. So let me know what you think about how the downstairs turned out and the furniture that we ended up getting. All right, guys, that's everything for me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. And I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.